Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by importing your video into CapCut and selecting the timeline clip you want subtitled. Next, tap Text, then Auto Captions and choose the spoken language. This tells the engine what to expect. Once done, press Generate and let CapCut transcribe the audio. This is faster with clear speech. You should see captions appear as editable blocks on the timeline. Make sure your clip is the active selection, because Auto Captions targets the selected clip rather than the whole project. After generation, you need to refine both what the captions say and when they appear. Tap any caption to edit the text for accuracy, type corrections where recognition failed. Then trim or split caption blocks to match speech beats, drag edges for timing, or split a block to move phrases independently. For clarity, style captions. Choose font, size, color, and background. Once styled consistently, make sure line breaks and reading speed match normal viewer pace, so the subtitles remain readable and unobtrusive. To finish, preview the full timeline and confirm sync and legibility, then export. Choose burned-in captions if you want subtitles fixed to the video, or export an SRT if you need a separate file. Use what your platform requires. If captions are consistently wrong, improve the audio. Remove noise, increase volume, or re-record, then manually correct obvious words and regenerate remaining captions. If something still fails, re-import a cleaned audio track and run auto captions again. This usually...
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.